Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks Part 3. If you didn't watch Part 3 or 1 and 2, it's how to get or 2 is especially how to get these lines equal. I made a rectangle in my space. My rectangle is the exact size of the width, but it's also 2.8 inches wide. I'm going to take a 2-point line, doesn't matter how long it is, and have it snap to there. Now, the distance is 2.8, so get out a calculator. 2.8 divided by 10. Let's go. I think we need 11. 2.8 divided by, well, maybe let's try 12. Let's go 12. So 23 and then a bunch of threes. So you can set your nudge factor on 0.233333. That's going to be more than close. Hit the plus key. Now, if we go ahead and fill these in to see if we have the right amount, because we want them not touching the letters. No, we need an odd amount then. So let's get the calculator back out. 2.8 divided by 11. Okay, 25, 45, 45. Look at that. You could run it way out. 0.25, 4545. Whoop. Had the smart fill tool. So let's set our nudge factor on 0.25, 4545 is close enough. Control D all the way across. Get out our smart fill tool. Now we can measure these. Let's take away the color for a second. And let's measure them to see how right we are. I'm pretty sure we're dead on. Parallel dimension tool. I like going from the line so you'll have a node. So that's 0.25. 0.25. Now it's actually rounded up. You know, we could round it up to that 4 or 5, but it's actually that number. And then to finish the project, all you need to do is take the smart fill tool, fill in every other one. Whoop. Don't fill these in because we got those lines. So if you hold down the Alt key, you can select all those lines. Go ahead and select that line, or that was a rectangle. Then take your smart fill tool and finish it out. Now, on my first example, I had a lot more, but you get the idea. You could have as many as you wanted. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.